Welcome back to Autoscope 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. External style, aerodynamics, smoother lines and greater aerodynamics are frequently used in designs to improve fuel efficiency. Lighting, it's likely that all of the headlights, taillights, and side lights will be LED. Spacious windows to maximize the views. There is plenty of pass-through storage for outdoor gear. Outside, there is easy access to electricity, water, and waste disposal. Perhaps equipped with solar panels on the roof to refuel the home's energy supply. Within, materials high quality, durable, yet lightweight materials are employed for comfort and efficacy. Surfaces with ease of cleaning. Driving area, a large integrated touchscreen entertainment system, perhaps with Google built-in or the newest MyLink interface, ergonomic cockpit with comfortable seats, and cutting-edge driving assistance systems. Kitchen, completely equipped with a gas or induction stove, microwaves, sink, large refrigerator, perhaps residential size, and numerous cabinet storage units. Living dining area, a cozy sofa, a dining area that can be used as an extra bed, and possibly a concealed flat-screen TV. Bedroom, wardrobe, drawers, a queen or king-size bed facing back, and sometimes a second television. Bathroom, a practical bathroom with a separate sink, shower, and toilet, especially on Class A and C types. Engine setups, gasoline, probably a strong and reliable V8 engine from Chevrolet, such as the 6.6 Duramax engine, seen in their HD trucks, which has the torque and power to pull heavy loads. Diesel, Duramax V8 diesel engine option may also be available for increased hauling capabilities. Hybrid electric distant possibility by 2026. Hybrid or even all-electric engine options for smaller RVs might become more popular. Though this is currently just a theoretical possibility. Transmission, use a reliable and efficient automatic transmission such as a 10-speed automatic for smooth operation, connectivity with Wi-Fi and mobile hotspots.